We want the value of a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed, given two symmetric facts about a, b, and c. A plus b plus c equals 6, and a b plus bc plus c, a equals 9. Our goal is a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed. Use the identity. A cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals left parenthesis. A plus b plus c right parenthesis cubed minus 3 times left parenthesis. A plus b plus c right parenthesis times left parenthesis. ab plus bc plus c, a right parenthesis plus 3 abc. Substitute the numbers. That gives 216 minus 3 times 54 plus 3 abc. So the expression becomes 54 plus 3 abc. We still need abc. Let's highlight that unknown. Because the information is symmetric and all three numbers are positive, a quick path is to set two of them equal. Let a equals b equals b. Then c equals 6 minus 2t. Plug into ab plus bc plus c, a equals 9. Solve the quadratic. 3t squared minus 12t plus 9 equals 0. T squared minus 4t plus 3 equals 0. So t equals 1 or t equals 3. But c must be positive. C equals 6 minus 2t. So choose t equals 1, giving c equals 4. Now compute ABC. A, BC equals 1 times 4 equals 4. Substitute into 54 plus 3 ABC. That is 54 plus 12, which equals 66. Therefore, a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals 66.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.